are not only walking, so you can learn about jungle survival. So only basic. If you want to learn more, we can stay in the jungle 1 week. So today is only basic, right? 30 to 45 minutes for. Okay? So my name is Jim. Okay, so continue.
Might fall, Jay.
Salita kalanat. Sa English, tinatawag itong breadfruit. Sa Tagalog, kamansi, rimas, breadfruit sa English. Kamansi, o sa Ilocano, pakak. Pakak sa Ilocano ito. Pakak. Okay.
Okay, Jay.
Tayo.
Jay. Hold, Jay, hold.
Whoa.
We're inside the forest. Be careful, Jay. We're going down. No rope, Jay, no ropes. Ayaw pa hawak. Oh, see.
Ulit tayo ng marami. Ito ay isasang natin, oh.
It's a big tree.
Big tree. Yeah, big tree. Yeah, big tree. Yeah. So, kopang. Name is kopang. So, collect the seeds, huh? Collect some of this. Then, roast the seeds. After roast, you can grind, put this in a boiling pot. Then you can put some water, then boil. This is good coffee, huh?
Ah, coffee.
Coffee. So, this coffee is caffeine free.
Wow.
So, this is a natural decaffeinated coffee. The seed.
Wow.
Okay.
You say thank you.
You plant the seed. Become like this, huh?
Put them inside your pocket.
This seed, this tree down
Here,
here,
inside your pocket,
this is a
Jay.
century old. So, meant to say, this is 100 years old, huh?
Sak, lagay mo sa bulsa.
Na-feature po kayo sa TV dati.
Hindi ko po makumam dahil marami nang
Nakita ko po kayo na pa.
marami nang kumukuha kang nagkon dito ng po. So, dito po, diyan sa buta na yan. So, maganda po dyan. So, kompleto po kayo.
Hey, Sak. DJ, stay here. It's a big tree.
VJ and Isaac. Go inside.
Jay,
VJ.
Ay, ay,
move
ay.
forward.
Dali.
Wow.
VJ.
Wow, go, move.
Sak. Isaac.
Hi, Jay.
VJ. Yakap kuya.
Oh, embrace
Hug
kuya. Embrace. Yes. Yeah, okay. There's a magic bean. A magic bean kan.
Sa aming salita, lapatan. So, tinatawag ito sa English, bamboo water vine.
It's a bamboo vine.
Mainom, malinis.
Oh,
So, mamaya po, patitikimin
Yes.
ko yung tubig na galing dito.
it has water inside, Jay.
Ito inside.
Ito
Yes.
yung tunay na bagay, no?
Dito ano tayo
Regular vine.
Ito.
Ginagamit gitar sa.
Do you like to
So, mamaya, makikita nyo dito.
do you like to drink from the bamboo? Water from the bamboo you like? Ay. Be careful again.
Magkano pa tayo ng seed on next time? Ayan!
Sige, Jay.
7 na.
Sige, makabuo ka ng isang tasang kape niyan.
Diba?
Mana tami ba?
Ating ka no.
Ay, naitay ka.
Ay, Sak. Ay, yun, ang ipin. Ay.
Wow.
Sak. Look at the track. Going down.
Galing ko maghanap.
Oo. Linaw na mata mo.
Drinking cup. And that is a bamboo spoon.
Bamboo cup, bamboo spoon, ha? Kaya, no? So, tanggalin itong balat sa likod, dahil itong balat sa likod, ano, medyo magaspang. Kapag sumagi sa ngipin, nakakangilaw ito. Okay, yung tinidor, ito sa kabila naman, ano.
Butter.
Okay, yung pag-inom ng tubig, ganito. Yung kabilang dulo, itataas, ano. Hintay ng tubig na tutulog, ganito lang.
There's water.
Okay, tikim. One.
JJ, you taste it after.
Pulang.
Okay, picture.
Opo, yan. Yan po. Para, yan po. Kung ilalagay nyo sa inyong Facebook.
Jay, you taste it, okay?
Friend.
Kaya yun, okay. Open your mouth, okay? Okay, ay kawain ka muna eh. Okay, sige.
Orange and green.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, meron pa siyang sound.
Yan. So, talagang masarap ano? Opo.
Ah,
Yan po. Okay, kayo ma'am. Hindi lang.
ay isa.
Okay. Don't close your eyes.
Tingnan mo yung tit mo, may orange and green.
Okay. Okay, ah. Okay.
Mama, oh. Ay, oo na, kagat ka.
Nakikinis.
Natatawa tuloy.
Mabulol.
Magulo na siya. Okay. Okay, ang sunod ano, ipagawa na ako eh. Ito yung kusot ano?
Pusot. Yan, making
ito yung
pusot.
tinatawag sa English tinder. Tinder ito, tinder. Yan ang purpose nito no, para pagkaskas nito, isang direksyon lang. So una, ikakaskas ito ng dahan-dahan na madiin. So ito na.
Yan, Jay, oh.
Make it
The
faster
smoke.
and
The smoke here. Look.
stronger.
Yes.
Wow! It's melting fire.
What is that?
It's a fire. Hey.
Okay, so pick up this ha. Hold this shading like this. Then turn upside down. Okay, then put it back here.
Okay.
So don't blow like this ha. Mind saliva on this, okay? Blow slowly.
There.
Sa'yo lang. Tita fire.
There, Jay.
Okay. So put over this ha. The flame catcher. Okay.
Wow. Oh, clap
Then,
your hands na.
Put it ground like this. Okay, you can add some dry leaves, dry woods to make your bonfire big so you can cook your own food, okay? So in making fire, this is the easy way, okay? The hard way with the pointed stick and do like this, might your farm get hard, no fire. And we have also the flint stone, yung bato, no?
Bato.
Yeah. So pag hindi natin nahuli yung spark sa maghapon, so maghapon tayong kumakaway. Meron din tayong posporo. Naubusan ng palito o nabasa ng ulan, so hindi natin magamit ang posporo natin. At meron tayong lighter, walang butane, walang fluid, wala rin bato, so hindi natin magagamit ang lighter. At meron tayong magnifying glass pag walang araw, so hindi natin magagamit ano. So ito no, kahit tag-ulan o tag-araw, pwede tayong gumamit ng tuyong buho o dried bamboo. Dried lang po. Huwag naman ganitong kulay ano. Dahil pag ganitong kulay, kahit maghapon kayo magagamit.
We're almost there. Uh-oh.
We are the last.